OpenStreetMaps has a great API. If you need to create an application with maps, you can use that. You can draw markers, you can move the map around, all within your own application. But let's say you have some coordinates. That's a latitude and longitude. Now, you can go to openstreetmaps.org. But did you know you could do / map equals and then a zoom level and then / latitude / longitude. This URL you can share with people and it will bring you right to that location on the map, which is useful if you just want to share a location. But this is kind of vague here. Where exactly do I need you to be looking? Well, if we were to, again, use OpenStreetMaps, but before the #, we pass some variables, mlat and mlong for the marker latitude and longitude, and then we can pass it the map zoom level and the coordinates. We can now use this URL and share it with somebody, and when they open it up in their web browser on whatever device it is, it not only zooms into that spot, but also adds a marker. And the marker does not have to be the exact same coordinates as where you're zoomed in at, so I can zoom in here and have the marker over here. And of course, you can adjust the zoom level, so I can set this to 10 and it zooms out, or I can move back in by changing it to a higher number like 18. So this is a great way, if you don't want to write out a full application, but you have a set of coordinates, you can share those locations with somebody, and they don't have to have anything installed. They could just need to go to the link in their web browser. So this could be very useful, and we will use this in future videos. I thank you for watching. Please visit filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I hope that you have a great day.